So I'm doing a video in regards to setting this up. Now this is the Corsair one. I usually have this one on my PC. This is the thumb thing that connects to it that makes the communication. I think it works at 2.4 gigahertz. So that's how I have it set up on my computer. On my PlayStation 4, I use this one, which is the Turtle Beach one. Also with the dongle, I put a Velcro because I don't, sometimes I want to hear it on the TV. So instead of going in there and changing the settings, I just pull it out and I stick it to a piece of Velcro area on my PlayStation so I don't lose it. I have it connected to a long cable and everything, and it stays in place that way. Anyway, so the user wanted to know how to set this up with the PlayStation 4. Now I've set this up in the past. I never set it up again because I took it for my computer. So let's go and do step by step. I'm not an expert on this. I'm just telling you how I'm setting it up. So let's do that. So let's take this piece right here and the headset. So this is my PlayStation. I have it on, my PlayStation 4. And this is the Velcro that I use to keep it in place. So usually with the other one, what I do is I plug this in, this long cable. Right now you should hear the PlayStation. That's the PlayStation noise. So we're gonna plug this in and then I put it here at the end. This is something I do to make it easier, like that. And my other one, what I do is I actually just stick it to here. And when I need to take it off, I just unplug it. But the sound just went off. See, because this one took its place. Now, in the PlayStation 4, so usually what happens is you just turn this on. Make sure this is on. And now you hear the PlayStation. I don't know why the person's maybe having an issue, but it's pretty much automatic. I hear, you can't hear it over the TV anymore, but I hear it on this device right now. I know you can't hear it, but it's coming over, believe you me. So it should be pretty automatic. But just in case you're having issues, you can double check it in the settings on the actual PlayStation. So you take your joystick and you're gonna go with these these buttons here on the left-hand side. You're gonna go up and you're gonna end up going to settings. And in settings, it should have the sound. So let's look for the sound. Okay, it's devices. It has to be devices. I don't usually do this because it's so automatic, but just in case, you click on devices and it should be audio devices. And as you can see, input. So the input and the output is gonna be this, as you can see. It should just come up. PlayStation 4 will just automatically see it. So let's say I wanted to change it though. I can change it from the Corsair VOID Elite Wireless Gaming Dongle to TV. And now you'll hear it coming over the TV. So one more time, just to confirm, you go to settings, devices, audio devices, and it should show up right there. If you have a hub, it probably will not work. A hub will not work on this. So if you have anything on there, this has to be directly connected. It won't work. I tried it. I have a 2-port to 4-port USB hub. I had to take it out. It doesn't work. So now usually I just pull it out. I don't suggest you do that. And if you see when I pulled it out, it goes right back to TV, and no, the microphone is no longer working. See, input. But if I plug in, it'll automatically switch. So it should be an automatic thing. That's it. It's just switched over, just like that. You have to make sure this is on. If you don't have this on, it'll turn off. So if this is off, you're not gonna hear anything. And I turned it off to just save battery. But as long as the dongle is plugged in, you're gonna see this. All right, so I hope this video helps the person who's asking me the question in regards to step-by-step a setup. This is the step-by-step, and pretty much all of them work that way. I did the same thing with my Turtle Beach. It's the same setup. So they should all work. No issues whatsoever. All right, so I hope the video helps. Thank you. Bye.